A national leader in accessible vehicle solutions, this ISO-certified, family-owned company has been serving people with disabilities for nearly 50 years. Offering free nationwide delivery of their customized vans, they support independence, safety, and mobility. Join us in Savage, Minnesota, and meet Rollx Vans.
Rollx Vans is a nationwide company. We remanufacture vehicles for people in wheelchairs, making them wheelchair accessible. We sell and service them all across the United States. We have at-home service delivery techs. So if somebody purchases a van from us, we deliver it to them anywhere in the country.
Rollx Vans was established out of a family tragedy, and today, nearly 50 years later, we serve almost 20,000 customers nationwide. Originally, our company was designed to give out free rides through the Twin Cities Metro. We gave nearly 700,000 free rides to people throughout the Twin Cities, and now we serve the entire nation, providing independence through transportation with the vehicles that we manufacture.
We offer minivans, we offer full-size vans, lowered floors, raised roofs on the full-size vans with side entry access, rear entry access. There's also pickup trucks that we offer. Really, all configurations are available to our customers.
One of the services that we offer that's unique to our business is one that we actually pioneered, which is the direct-to-consumer at-home delivery. We have technicians nationwide, and we actually deliver the vehicles directly to your door and do any additional installations like hand controls, power tie-downs, or any other adaptive equipment directly at your house for your comfort and ease.
Well, there's been a number of ways that we've innovated over the years. We have an in-the-floor chain-driven ramp system that was the first of its kind that came out. We have a trackless transfer seat for our customers that are going to transfer. We offer at-home service, which nobody offered. We started this back in the 90s.
At Rollx Vans, we understand that every situation can be challenging and different, and we're here to help. No matter the situation, no matter the vehicle that you're looking at, we understand this industry very well. We've helped nearly 20,000 customers find the right solution for them. And when you call into our business, our professional sales staff will qualify whatever need you have and get the right solution for you.
I bought my first van from Wade Harris, who was the founder of Rollx Vans. I bought my second van from his son, Mike Harris, and now I'm just met Tony Harris, Mike's son. And the vans have all been dependable. Just driven my van here, and I've kept coming back here because I enjoy coming here, and you feel like family when you come.
In 1978, Rollx Vans was founded out of a family tragedy. My parents took that heartbreak and turned it into a mission to honor my brother, to truly change the lives of the wheelchair and scooter communities. That mission still drives us today. It's why over 30% of our employees have been with us longer than 20 years. Our goal is simple: to build the best accessible vehicles and to provide a level of service that exceeds our customers' expectations. That commitment to our customers and our employees is what makes Rollx Vans the world's greatest.